Buttons are essential to any user interface and come in different shapes and sizes. Let's look at the first initializer. In our first initializer, we can pass a string or a localized string into the first parameter with a button action into the second. Let's look at the next available initializer. When we use this button initializer, it starts with the button's action as the first parameter and a generic type label for the second. This initializer is useful when you want to customize your button's appearance instead of just using text. Using this initializer, we can add any view inside of the curly braces, giving us total control over the look and feel. The last initializer accepts two view builders, an action for the first parameter and a label for the second. We set our button's actions in the first set of curly braces, and in the second set of curly braces, we can customize our label. Just like the previous initializer, we can customize this button's appearance. In SwiftUI, we have some useful button-specific modifiers, such as the .button style modifier. This modifier sets the style for buttons within this view by applying a custom appearance and interaction behavior. Let's look at a few options for button style. By default, all buttons use the borderless style. If we want to remove these styles, you can use the .plain option. If you're looking for your buttons to have a more classic standard Apple app look, you can use the .bordered button style. Finally, if you're looking for a button to stand out a bit more, you can use the .bordered prominent button style. Please note that when you use the .bordered prominent style, it will modify your tint color and make it more robust, so use it sparingly. We have just touched the surface of buttons in part 1.